Okay, guys, this is going to be your class for today. We are going to do a workshop about problem solving using integers. That was the last topic we saw in the last class, that was the Thursday. I really hope that you are not like blank at all, but this is your workshop. This is going to be your workshop. I'm going to read all the exercises here. And I know you're going to have a lot of questions, but please be quiet. I'm recording. And I'm going to read all these exercises. Okay. Workshop. First, Augustus, the Roman emperor, was born in 63 before Christ and died in 14 after Christ. How many years does he live? Second, a plane flies at, oh my God, 1100, oh my God, meters, and a submarine is at 80, 50
Miss Thousand.
in the deep. 1,000. Thank you so much. Thank you. In the deep. Which is the difference between its heights? Third, in the bank account, we have 100 and... No, I don't know how to say. 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. $1,250. We pay the light bill, that is $83. The telephone bill, that is $37, and the gas and water bill that are $40 each one. Is there money left in the bank account? 4, if I am in the second floor and go down 3 floors, which floor am I now? 5th, a winter day, the temperature in the morning was -3 degrees. At noon, the temperature rises 8 degrees. Until 4 p.m. rises another 2 degrees. From 4 p.m. until midnight, go down 4 degrees. And from midnight until 6 a.m., go down another 5 degrees. What was the temperature at 6 a.m.? Okay, guys, this is going to be all your exercises for today. And thank you so much for your attention. You're being so kind, and good luck, because you're going to need it. And a pair of new glasses or new eyes, I don't know.